It's already a hectic week on Wall Street and LaSalle Street. Let's bring in Michele Schneider, the Chief Market Strategist at MarketGauge. As a pro trader, what do you think are the three keys to trading the market this week? I have to imagine the Fed and big tech earnings make your list.
Well, you cannot overlook the fact that we have massive earnings coming out from the mega caps this week. And this is following the heels of disappointing earnings, or at least good earnings, but disappointing result in the market afterwards from last week. So you have to wonder how much are these stocks like Microsoft and Apple going to bring to the table, and how much further can they go up? And then that's one question, but then that question leads to the second question, which is, considering we had the rotation into the small caps and regional banks, that rotation really, if you look at charts, that really led into major resistance. So can they, if these earnings disappoint and we start to see the mega caps go down or semiconductors go down, can they get through that resistance? Is this rotation real, which would mean a much more robust economy? Or is it, just a lot of people piling in because it was so undervalued? And then the third thing is we have Fed, right? Oh my goodness, the Fed. Wednesday. Forget about unemployment. That's going to be a whole other trip. But the FOMC, and right now it's the old be careful what you wish for. Everybody wants them to cut.
I know how much you are enjoying the Olympics. Are you game on a trade?
Well, before I came on, Angie and you and I were talking about the Olympics. So I am a consumer of, a lot of what I do is about on that instinct. And so I was listening to what was sponsoring the Olympics. And the first three names that came up was Salesforce, Dickies Sporting Goods, and Allstate Insurance. So I looked at all three charts, and they all look pretty solid. So if I had to pick one right now, it would probably be Allstate, because I think the insurance companies in general, even though a lot of people are being dropped from insurance, look strong. And we're heading into a seasonal period of hurricanes. So I like Allstate. That's kind of what, I don't have a position, but I'm keeping an eye on that.
That's true, especially in Florida. Thank you, Mish.
Thank you so much for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.